Epá, uma t-shirt. Small.
We've got 1,000 t-shirts in the office. Actually more than 1,000, I think. And all the Coral ones are gone, right? And then this guy comes up, he gets a free Coral shirt. Where's my Coral shirts, huh? Where's my Coral shirts? Yeah, it feels good to be outside a little bit and in the water. I'm least experienced, huh? Tu conseguiste entrar e sair bem, Hugo? Saíste bem, não saíste?
Houve ali uma falha do lado direito, escorreguei um bocadinho, estava por causa das pedras, mas isso é normal. Faz-te conta que vi duas ponchas.
ainda nem começamos com a poncha. So, I believe there's good poncha here. But by the way, you believe, huh? We are in the northeast side of Madeira. This is one of the best spots in Madeira. Loads of people come here to see these views and things. And of course, it's just this beautiful place where we are today. And we've kind of missed this place. We did a vlog here once. You remember, Hugo, what, 2-3 years ago? Where we were in the water having a good time. But since then, we haven't been back here. And now our friends have moved in. So now there is not only a fully functioning bar and snack bar, but the best fully functioning bar and snack bar you can find on this place. This is my new favorite swim place. There's a place for the kids over there. So Adele will be able to be running around in the water there. And of course, the two of us inside there is going to be fantastic. So yeah, welcome to today's vlog, and we're going to show you how to navigate the summer and where's our favorite spots. Of course, there's loads of great spots in Faial. We're going to answer some questions, and then we're going to show you what this new place is all about. It's a bit windy, but the water is fantastic, and I thought I'd sit down and have a chat with Hugo before I went back in. So yeah, happy days, huh? Happy days, Hugo? Happy days. We're gonna have American food, I believe. Can you believe it?
American food!
America has arrived in Madeira. No?
Hi guys, welcome to Faial. This is my simple sandwiches. This is the pork and barbecue. Pork has cooked for 9 hours, so it's very simple. A lot of meat, a lot of juice, crunchy bread, perfect. Caesar sandwich, Caesar dressing, crispy chicken, perfect. This one is my favorite. Good luck with this one. You're gonna have juice all over, but it's gonna be great. This is a beef cheek. You have some sauce to dip it in after, proper. After you have prego, steak prego, and tuna prego. Yes, guys, I think this is simple and really good. Okay, and of course the francesinha is very typical from this place, and I think it's going to be perfect. Okay, guys,
right.
Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.
Fabio here came just for the francesinha, right?
Really?
Yeah.
That's what I'm here for.
This is the perfect
we have more
analogy.
I
food.
tried that one. This one is amazing.
Yes, I can't wait to dig into that, but this is the perfect analogy today.
We have more like this?
Because Fabio's the food guy, right? He's been running the food tours,
I
you know.
came for the food.
So he's here just for the food. We're here for the water and the food,
And the
right?
drink.
And you know, I mean,
Yeah,
Beer.
well, water, beer.
there's water
Yeah.
in this one.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
This is what we do every now and then. We do what we call a
Tuna.
team day. We get everyone together. Unfortunately, some of the other guys today were busy, but this is the best we could do. And we're having a gastronomic experience here at Calhau in Faial. What's it called? Foz de... Como é que é o nome?
Foz da Ribeira do Faial.
Foz da Ribeira do Faial.
He knows because of
Calhau.
the francesinha.
Because of the food.
Yes.
Yeah, I've been here before.
And for those of you who have been here before and had francesinhas at this place before, this place used to be known for their francesinhas, and that's why these guys put francesinhas on the menu. So it's, I don't know, how many other places can you go to and be by the beach and have a francesinha? I don't know. Is that why? It was so famous. You should know. How many
I
francinhas
don't
you
know
had here?
nothing.
You don't know
I'm a
nothing?
simple guy.
You've never had a francinha here?
Yes,
Before?
before. But Fabio is who knows everything about
Fabio knows
Francis.
everything about francinha.
You know
everything about it.
About
I know
it?
they're good.
You know they are
I know
good.
they're
They're good.
That's about
They're
enough.
good. They're caloric.
It's good
They
to
make
eat.
you feel very happy
You need
afterwards.
to exercise after this.
Shut up and eat.
Exercise. Yes, there we go. Shut up and eat. There we
Can
go.
we eat? Yes.
Shut up and eat.
Shut up.
There we go. There's the t-shirt. Who got the
This is,
t-shirt?
I don't drink nothing, but they give me a t-shirt.
Okay. Nice.
You
Yeah.
like it?
Yeah. Well,
I love it.
it would be better if it was a hit the road t-shirt, maybe, you know.
I will. Yeah, that's up to you. No.
Yeah, no.
Oh, okay,
It's
it's
another-
coming from America in 2 weeks. The new t-shirts you're gonna bring from
Hit the road.
Okay, see you then.
Cheers, Hugo. Obrigado.
Yeah.
Best friend.
Was a good day.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got the towel. Vito said I could have the towel. So finally somebody's thinking about the boss, huh? And it's time. The sun has come out. It's time to get to the water. The food has been digested, huh? And we are loving life. So we're gonna go and have a little bit of a swim. And then we're gonna have to get back to reality, huh? We get back to work. Because we're not YouTubers, right? Right? This is not our full-time job. We don't live in your screen and just do these things, okay? We have things to do. Anyway, we've got to talk about the summer. We're going to talk about the summer. What is the summer? So stick around. Hook us up in the comments. Let me know what you need to know, what you want to know. What are your questions? Huh? But I can tell you one thing. I did a couple of tours the last few weeks, and people have been asking, Jeff, at the end of the day, they're like, well, what else could we do? And I say, well, I don't want to be that guy to say like, well, you could do another tour, right? Like, of course, you could always do another tour. And they're like, yeah. And I'm like, but think about it this way. A lot of people, they don't know how to take vacation, right? A lot of people are working, pa. And then when they go on vacation, they're still working because they're still checking itineraries, where to go, what to do, what's the plan, how do we park, how do we do this, pa. So the best thing you can do is chill. This is a great place to chill, this place, right? Because you've got this place here, you got this place here, you've got the go-karts at the back. You know, there's all sorts of things around here that you can explore, walking, everything. So there's a lot to do here. But I'm gonna get in the water, huh? Less blabbing, more Madeira, huh? Let's go. I got my towel. I'm gonna use the towel right now. We're gonna take this out. I'm gonna use the towel right now. Right now. You got a microphone for me there, eh? Right there. Woo! That's it, eh? Well, it's like I said, we do have to get back to work. So, summertime, of course. Great thing is you've got your lifeguards over there. So you've got lifeguards, you've got green flags, so you can swim. Guys, safety is always the biggest thing you have to worry about. Water is crystal clear. You're in Madeira, you should always be swimming, okay? Even if it's the off season, you should be swimming. One of the best things you can do. I often joke around, I've got these clients that come with me and they want to do the natural pools. Always be the natural pools. There's all these other places to swim. It doesn't have to be just the natural pools. And also, a lot of the times, they're staying in the Savoy, they stay in the Reed's Palace, they stay in the Cliff Bay. They stay in these places, these hotels that have access to the water, right? And to the best water, because it's in your hotel. You can go straight to your room, go to the bar, the restaurant. You've got a sun deck by the beach, by the water entrance. You might even have someone bringing you a cocktail with, like, next to the ocean. So sometimes the best place to swim is in your hotel. If you're staying in the Reeds, the Savoy, again, Cliff Bay, Vida Mar, I mean, all of these hotels along the coast. Porto Santa Maria's got a great beach also very close by. So if you're staying in these places where you've got these beach access on the south coast of fantastic north coast. This place has its own webcam. So if you go into Madeira webcams, you check out the webcams, you look for this place. We'll put a screenshot in. Should be Faial, Praia do Faial, I think it's called. And you can see exactly how this place looks like. It's a little bit windy, but the sun is out, the water is fantastic, right? The water is absolutely amazing. And then of course, it's quiet. You know, there's a couple of locals, there's a couple of tourists already, but it's quiet. And that's what I love about this place. So, on that bombshell, right? This is officially my beach prediction for 2026. All right, my favorite beach. I mean, I can bring Adele here, I can bring the wife here. There's the food and drinks. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. This side over here, it's gorgeous. I haven't been here for a while. The water is crystal clear. Crystal clear. So there you go, guys. You don't need to go looking for secret beaches or nothing like that. There's already loads of great places that are not secrets, okay? Get over it. All of you guys who think you know the secrets and things, and get over yourselves. And you know it's true, eh? Anyway, that's it. Andrea, we have to get to work.
Yes, we do.
You've got a gig later, don't you?
Yes, I do.
All right, so
Let's hit the road.
let's hit the roads. We're gonna do tomorrow's pickups for all of our guests, our clients, our tourists. We're gonna go and pick up the Panther. It's got a brand new alternator. Huh? Yeah. Cause it's expensive to run a Jeep tour company, especially if you're dealing with Land Rovers, okay? These guys just say, we got Land Rovers, oh my God, we got a Land Rovers. Yeah, we got 5 of them, right? So we have to go and see our mechanic, yeah? And we have to give the puppy eyes and say, is my car ready? Please tell me my car's ready.